I'd start quoting Olivia Benson here. You're a fighter. Don't give up now. Don't look at everything you have overcome. Hello, I'm Abhinav. People know me by Bhukkad Baniya or a guy behind the page Where Are You Food? Well, is it enough? Or should I say that I'm a marketer, I'm a podcaster, blogger, pharmacist, or a YouTuber maybe? This is enough, I guess. Well, in the forefront, you might have seen a lot of food coming my way. Me eating, hogging, and coming down to all of those things. But in the back end, this is not really what it seems. I've always been a creative brat, tried on plenty of things in life. They say that you are jack of all trades and master of none. Well, this is something which really described my personality at one point of time. From where do I even start? I can't even remember. Uh, from my childhood, maybe, or when I was small. But even today, I am an 18-year-old guy in the body of a 24-year-old. My mind works like that. I always had this thing in my mind that I have to bring something creative on table. I cannot just fit in the very rat race. And to synergize all of that, it happened again and again. Uh, as far as I can remember, I was bullied at school. I was called names. There have been a lot of things for what I have been done, and I was criticized for quite some period of time. But I didn't stop. I wanted to be a doctor. I started studying in medical. Little I know that I would fail my 11th standard. Well, I didn't stop. I went into my grad school, completed my pharmacy. I was mocked down, taken down by a lot of college authorities back then, but I didn't stop. I still moved ahead and continued to become where I am today, maybe. It wasn't that easy as it seemed. I belong to a very middle class family of a tier 2 city. I owe everything to my family today, whatever I am today or wherever I go. That is something I owe to my family for whatever they have done for me. I still remember it has been a lot of struggle for them to raise me up today as well. We were not really financially stable when I was born. There had been a lot of pressure by my dad's family on my parents. Uh, they were questioned why I was being put to a good school. They were questioned for every expenditure they did on me. They were questioned for each and every move they had. They were asked to vacate the house. These are the kind of small struggles which my parents had back then to raise me up, and I think they have done it really, really beautifully. I've studied in one of the best schools in the city, and the kind of education I've got, this is something which I really owe to them at the end of the day. All of that, it didn't stop my father because he knew the kind of struggles he has to go through, because he knew that, this world is cruel and we have to any which way surpass from all of these things. He rose from ashes and continued to make me the kind of person I am today. Well, I'm going to personal, yeah. This blogging journey of mine, or this kind of speaking journey of mine, or the kind of motivational session which I deliver, or any kind of journey you may call it, this has been really a kind of roller coaster ride. People say कि ये तो फ्री का खाना खाता है. People say कि पतला है, लगता नहीं है, पापड़ है. People say कि फ्री का खाना खाने के लिए कहीं पे भी पहुंच जाते हैं. People say कि बहुत ही मतलब कुछ भी करते हैं. But it's not really the very case. We know the kind of hard work we have to put in every single post, every single picture we click, and that is something which is really not easy. I hope that all my fellow bloggers who are listening this, all my fellow content creators who are listening this, they will definitely agree with me on this very point. Well, this very blog of mine called Where Are You Food, this was something which was a very thoughtless decision 4 years back. It was a very noob decision. I was naive back then. Little did I know that I would be able to draw the whole of my contentment from this very blog of mine. I was not really sure at that point of time, but now I really am. My hoggers, my hogging family, my food finding family is something I, admire, I adore every day, because I am credible for them. I am accountable for them. They ask me कहाँ खाना खाने जाएं. They ask me क्या करें. They ask me, we are down, how do we motivate ourselves up? And that is something which really gives me happiness at the end of the day, because I know that my every word will count something for them in their lives, and if I'm able to make a difference, that is something which is really, really contending for myself and for my thought, I would say. Post an event called Born on Instagram, which happened last year. I was taken seriously by quite a few brands, my audiences, my fellow creators, and everyone. That's when I actually realized that this world will start taking you seriously only when you are confident about it. And that is something which made me really confident. I was my own confidant. I knew that whatever I was doing, I had a skill in that. And later on, I just went on to become a hogger or a mixologist. I started playing with drinks, and that is how I actually gathered a lot of my food knowledge and started imparting that to people out there, because I felt that this is something which is really, really important. This struggle story is going to be way less than those who have to walk miles to go to school and achieve that particular IAS mark. But this was only of my sole purpose to tell you people that don't stop. Do not stop dreaming, have bigger of them. Go after your passion, work wherever you feel that you are compassionate about, because that is something which is going to give you happiness at the end of the day. Now I am working with India's biggest pharmaceutical company. I am helping my dad in his business, and also I'm sitting here and recording this video for you to tell you that your passion is something which is going to take you places. Your confidence is something which is going to give you happiness, because if you do not stop dreaming, you are definitely going to achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. Till then, you can eat food, you can drink whatever you want to eat, because that is something which is very, very important. Again, eating. Well, this is Abhinav for you, forever on a food hunting spree.